to my channel. My name is Pankhuri Shukla and this is my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you my college makeup routine, and you can also do it if you are office going girl or for your daily makeup routine. It's a very simple look and we are not going to use any foundation or any heavy makeup in this video. It's a very basic. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. I start my makeup by prepping up my skin. The first step is applying sunscreen. Here I am using Aqualogica's 1% niacinamide sunscreen. All the products which I will use, I will mention them above in the captions. So the next step is to conceal. Here I am using Maybelline's concealer. I will conceal my under eye area and the area which is dark on my face. I am going to use my fingers to blend the concealer. It is much more easier and faster way to do so, and it will give you a flawless base. अब हमारा जो अंडर आई एरिया है उसको हम सेट करेंगे. Here I am going to set my under eye area by using Cuffs and Lashes compact powder. We are going to dab the excess powder on the back of our hand and will dab under our eyes to set the concealer. Now we are going to apply blush. I am using Just an Herbs tint. Apply from the cheek area to the apples of your cheeks. It will give you more lifted and natural blush on the face. Blend it nicely with your fingers. Now here I am going to set my face again with the compact powder that we have used earlier. Here I am using Plum's Kajal pencil. We will apply kajal only to the outer areas of our eyes. This will make our eyes look bigger and more wider. Apply it to your upper line also. Now for lips, we will first apply lip balm. Here I am using Mamaearth's lip balm. Here I am using Maybelline Ink Matte Lipstick. Take the very little amount of lipstick on the back of your hand. And apply it to your lips by dabbing to the inner corner of your lips. If you want to keep your look simple, then you can skip this process. You can just apply a tinted lip balm. Here I am curling my eyelashes with the eyelash curler. So here I am taking very little amount of aloe vera gel. I am using Mamaearth's aloe vera gel. Using mascara on daily basis can potentially harm our lashes. So in the place of mascara, you can use aloe vera gel or a Vaseline to get the lifted eyelashes. You can see the difference.
I'm going to set my eyebrows with the rest of the aloe vera gel. Our look is done. Let me quickly show you the final look.
होप गाइस कि आपको मेरी आज की ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, इस वीडियो को लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें। बाय।